外国人为什么这么喜欢纹中文纹身 Alright, I see this all the time. China, America, translation fails. I see Chinglish mistakes on clothing and things all the time in China. I mean, just check these out. Don't do school, eat your drugs, stay in vegetables, fart sexy style. I'm losing my mind. Of course, these are not intentional. It makes me think, why does this happen? And do we have Chinese translation fails? Oh yeah, it's crazy. Let's have a look. There's lots of famous celebrities like David Beckham with Chinese tattoos. Nicki Minaj has a tattoo that says 上帝与你常在. God is often with you. This guy has a tattoo that says 可以 Monkey? The truth is, this happens all the time because unless you have a native Chinese speaker tattoo you, they probably don't know how to read or write Chinese. So let's look at the worst Chinese tattoo translation fails. 求大家不太骂我，因为我读中文的话，感觉读得有点一般般吧。Okay, 阿呆美国人，阿呆美国人。I'm a 美国人。Am I an 阿呆美国人？这是纹身。这是纹身 This is a tattoo. Yes, I know that is a tattoo. 什么女？查一下。Okay. I don't know, is this a bad word? I feel like it's bad. Cheap, low. Why? 我不吃肉，但是我咬。Don't eat meat, but I bite. 爸爸。甜蒜肉 Sweet and sour meat.Why are you tattooing food on your body? 有另外一个意思吗？双花鱼蛋汤 Fish egg soup? Come on, man. 鸡面汤我也喜欢吃菜 Vegetable with wolf eyes. Me, rice. Okay. I mean, I like rice, but not that much. 马屁外人我希望我不是马屁外人。什么东西手留什么？如果大家知道是什么意思，请在下面给我留言，我看不懂。可安娜，肯德拉 ，Oh my god， 是不是他的女朋友的英文名？他比我厉害多了。视力，我慢。Power, I'm slow。什么出席 ？Must attend。无料 ，No material 还是 boring？神信用 God credit 免费乘坐硬末 Free to ride 芝麻鸡 Sesame chicken, one of my favorites. Why not tattoo it on myself? 来练来 Come connect come 锁狗 All dogs On your neck神本 Fast stupid. So yeah, this guy actually is stupid and everybody in China can see it clearly. 多带什么记？带记什么意思啊？在 Yeah, you are a calamity. 什么？下面是不是心？这是什么字啊？哦，这个我很喜欢。说龙爱 Say dragon love. You like dragon love? 女不神女中间的字跟下面的字应该放在一起的。就绳子旁的那个女生啊，哎，真的，和爱中 peace, love, loyalty， 爱不是翻过来的吗？地狗 Emperor dog. Yeah, I kind of like that. Do not get an English tattoo without messaging me first, please. So which of those do you guys think is the worst tattoo you've seen so far? Please leave me a message below and tell me how we can stop these translation fails, both in English and in Chinese. Maybe I should start a Chinglish consulting company. If you like this video, please help me to share it and subscribe. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。